Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is Apple Reminder and how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Apple Reminders is a free built-in app on iPhone, iPad, Mac and Apple Watch that helps you create, manage and organize to-do lists and tasks, whether it's remembering to call someone, take a medicine or do homework. Reminders keeps you on track. So what is an Apple Reminder? It's a simple yet powerful task manager that lets you add tasks, set due dates and times, set location-based alerts. Example, remind me to grab a milk when I get to the store, create lists for work, home, shopping, etc. Share lists with others, great for group, tasks or grocery list. Now, in order to use Apple Reminder, what you need to do is head over and open up your App Store. Then, on the search bar, type in Apple Reminders and then look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then, what you need to do is tap on the app, then tap on the Get button and follow the on-screen prompts to simply download the app. Then, once you have downloaded the app, tap on Open. Now, once you're inside, what you need to do is tap on New Reminder. Now here, type your tasks, example call mom, or tap the info to add the icon to add date, time, location, priority, notes or URL. Then next is to create lists. Tap add list in the bottom corner and then name it like groceries or work and choose a color or icon. Use lists to group related reminders. You can also use Siri to add reminders by saying, remind me to walk the dog at 8 a.m. Remind me to take out the trash when I get home. It will automatically create the reminder with time or location alerts. Then get notified. Apple will send you a notification when the reminder is due or when you reach the said location. You can tap it to mark the task as done. Then next is to organize and view reminders. Use today or scheduled or flag tabs to filter. Then swipe left on a reminder to delete or mark it complete. Then long press a reminder to move, reschedule or edit it. Then you can also share list with others by simply opening up a list. Then tap the three-dot icon and then tap share list. Then invite people via messages, mail, etc. and you can add or check off tasks on the list, great for team projects or shared groceries. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.